Okay, so we got another device. This is Samsung Tab T580. I don't know, it's a Tab A or whatever. This is from a different customer as well, like from another store. What they were trying to do something to do with the charging, and he said he accidentally break this one over here. Can you see? Focus. So there's no connection for this one. So all we need to do is replace it with a new connection, put it back in, and that's it. See how we go. But we wanna do it under the microscope. Luckily there's no track missing, which is good, and I'm pretty sure they already tried to fix it. Okay, one concern with this one. Okay, let me fix up this camera, zoom, whatever. Here we go. Okay, the thing I'm worried about is that one track over here. Let me get the tweezer. This one over here, because it's scratched to a ground, and I'm not sure this track is meant to be ground or yeah, it looks like it's meant to be ground anyway. Yeah, that should be all right. Okay, so let's find a connector and do this one. Okay, I have zoomed that camera so you can see. So we just getting this one out, making sure this is the right one. There's two methods to do this one. You can do all with the heat gun, or you can do with the soldering iron. Too much interruption. Okay, this is going like this, maybe. So where the connection gonna go? From this side? I'm not sure, to be honest. No, definitely not this side. So this is going this side over there, definitely. Okay, the very first thing we're gonna do is wipe off all this. This thing, whatever they done, is really bad. This scratch thing over here, the 1 and 2, is really bad. Okay, after wiping that off, we just need to tin the solder on the places. One track is gone. And I do not even know if that track is important or not. We just need to scratch it and see if this pad is going somewhere or just plain. I really do not want to miss anything over here. I think this track is open line. But this one is going over there and this pad is going here, or if it's attaching. Okay, if it doesn't work, all we're gonna do is take a jumper from here Yeah, scratch it here, put it here, but it wouldn't make any difference anyway. Okay, so this is done. We're going to clean the area. One track is not connected because the other one is broken. I'm going to clean the area on the other side. Connection is really solid. Just to make sure, before we turn this one on with the light, with the screen attached, we're gonna put the multimeter onto diode mode, positive to ground, and we're gonna check this backlight. Okay, backlight is not short, which is good. Okay, let's see if there's any image. Okay, where's the power button? That's the top one. Where is the charging? Battery is flat, but at least it got an image. That's all we need to do. So all done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.